So you traded for 30 days on a demo account on TradeChangers, and you know exactly what happens in your account and how it works. So the next step is trading with a live account. You are able to deposit, for example, $500 on a live account and get started to trade live with your own money or using so-called prop firms. And the most common and well-known prop firm and what we are using is FTMO. So to learn more about prop firms, click on this banner and then you will be forwarded to the website of FTMO. So click on it, this is the website. And I want to advise you, get familiar what a prop firm is. A prop firm is a company which is able, after you pass a challenge, to give you funds. And it's not your own funds, but they give you funds. But before they give you funds, you need to run a challenge. And challenge is actually a period where you have to prove that you are a good trader. There is a daily profit, there is a daily loss. There are a lot of rules involved. You have also a profit target, also a max drawdown. So there are a lot of things involved in a challenge. And when you comply to the rules and you hit the profit target, without breaching any rule, you get funded with real money. And from that point, you are able to trade with real money from the prop firm company and get paid too. But that's a whole process. It's very difficult also. I don't gonna explain you how it works. Get familiar here with FTMO, okay? So once you are familiar how it works, go through all these steps and learn more about how it works, then go to the Choose Your FTMO Challenge plans. Here you see a two-step challenge and a one-step challenge. Again, dive into it and get familiar what the difference is. But I want to advise you, choose the first step. Challenge. Choose a 10K account, $79 one-time fee. And you see here there's a profit target of 10%, so you need to have a $1,000 profit on a 10K account. When you reach that profit target, then your account will be converted to a funding account with real money. There is a max daily loss of 3%, a max loss of 10%. Trading period, unlimited, doesn't matter how many days you need to reach the 1K profit. It's up to you. Best day rule, 50%, and there are rewards because 90% of your profits will also paid out on your account, and then you are ready to go to start a funded account on FTMO. So this is actually the best way without any risk. The only risk is the one-time fee here to get started with trading. And it's very complicated because I did a lot of challenges in the past, also with futures, and I think 98% of the people fail with manual trading, but in this case, the bot is trading for you. But if the bot is trading for you, then you still have to monitor if you don't breach any rules of FTMO. So we solve that with our FTMO engine. That's really automated. Okay, so go back to your auto trading dashboard. So once you set up an FTMO challenge, it's very important that you're using, for example, a brand new MT5 account with a brand new account with your broker. So you get started fresh with a 10K account. Okay, that's really important. So start fresh with an MT5. So import the new MT5 account with a fresh broker account where you connected the 10K FTMO account and import it into your Meta API and connect it here in your accounts area. Okay, cool. So once you did that, go to FTMO. Here you see enable FTMO. Once you click on it, you see a configuration screen. It will open, and here you are able to set your settings. So configure your settings here for your FTMO challenge. So already running a challenge. I'm going to show how it looks like. So once you open the configuration, then it's important what kind of challenge did you bought with FTMO. So what kind of challenge you purchased there, okay? Is the one-step, two-step, verification, or funded account, okay? So go check it out. But in this case, it's a one-step challenge. I really want to recommend this to you too. Initial balance, so normally this is 10K. So I already connected an account which has more funds. Anyways, for you, it's a fresh account, so it's 10K. And also daily loss limits. It's very important that you set the daily loss limit, the max drawdown, profit target, and minimum trading days according to the plan you bought. Okay. The challenge start date is the date that you get started, because our system is monitoring the whole process. So also if your 4 days trading are met, that kind of stuff. So very important, when you get started today, set the date to today. There is a consistency rule monitoring. So this is not so important when you run a challenge, because the consistency rule is not mandatory to have your challenge passed. But when you get a funded account, just toggle it on, because the consistency rule is 50%. So again, go to the rules of FTMO. You need to have a 50% consistency in your profits. Once you exceed it, the system will also warn you, and it will also close the trade. So you always stay compliant with the FTMO rules. So that's the whole idea behind this, okay? But for the challenge, just keep it off on default. This is very important. This is the lot size multiplier. So the standard lot size of our bots are 1 lot size for Euro USD and 0.2 lot size for gold. So if you have a 10K account, like I have now, so half the lot size. If you have a larger account, 100K or 200K challenge account, then you can increase the lot size. But always bear in mind, it has to be, compliant to the rules. So it's very important not to overtrade. That's the right word I want to use, because then you will blow up your account very easy, even when you have the bot and our FTMO engine enabled. Okay. So for example, 10K accounts start with 0.5 lot size multiplier. Here you're able to increase or decrease it. Okay. So these are the trading rules. So it's very important. I have to set them on default on off, because what I'm doing myself, and again, you are responsible for your own trades. It's not allowed to keep your funds, or you keep a trade open in the weekends, over the weekends. News trading is also not allowed. Okay, so you are responsible every weekend to check if there is a trade open, and then close it manually in your TradeChangers account or in your MT5. News trading during high impact news, we already have you covered. For example, for gold, the news trading here in gold are blocked for the major events, not for the minor events. So you are safe for that. But anyways, you need to know once there is a news trading event to monitor also if there is a trade open or not, and then you're responsible to close or just leave it running, because with news trading there's a lot of volatility also involved. So there's a chance that it will hit the stop loss, of course, but also the take profit. But again, you get also emails, you receive emails also when there is a high-packed news trading event in your email from TradeChangers, so you know exactly what happens. So even when it's automated, you have to check once in a while also your account yourself and what's happening in the market, because you are a trader, it's a business actually. So bear in mind you're responsible of this too. If you want to reset your challenge statistics, just check this box and then save it also with the new settings. So once, for example, you blow up your account, you have to start all over again. You are able to reset your challenge statistics. But also when you get funded, you start a new challenge with a funded account, or you start a new run on a funded account, then you are also able to reset the challenge statistics with the new settings here, which you are enabled. Okay. Once you are done, then click on save, and then you are good to go. So when you open your dashboard in here, so once you have your settings enabled, click on dashboard, then go down, and then it will open your dashboard in here. Okay. So what you see here is actually a visual of what's happening. And this is fully automated. So the whole purpose of our FTMO engine is just to keep you safe from breaching any FTMO rules. Okay. And once there is a rule almost breached, then it will shut down your trade automatically here. And when you go down, for example, so you see here we have one open trade at this moment. It's EURUSD, so you have a few physical. But here you see how the FTMO protection works. It has a pre-trade risk. So at 80% of your daily loss limit or the max drawdown, it will close the trade. You will get a notification and your account is disabled, okay, for that day. Because we have a daily reset in here. So 11 o'clock our time, Amsterdam time, that's the end of the market. It will reset the daily loss limit. And then you are able to trade again for the new day. But it automatically will reset your daily loss limit. It's very important that you know the rules, of course, and how it works. Okay, so go here to the FTMO protection, how it works. Also go down here. Go to the FTMO Forbidden Trading Practices. It's a website where everything is listed. You need to be familiar with it too. But if you go up, you have a visual of your complete challenge statistics, okay? So here you see I'm now $814 from getting funded. So I need $814 profit till I meet my profit target. Okay, so my trading days are met already. I didn't have any limits breached at this moment. So here is your balance journey. So this is the start, and I'm current at this point. The target is this. The profit target. This is the progress bar. Okay, you see here $249 earned. Minimum trading days I already met. Daily loss limit $0 used today. Maximum drawdown, this is my maximum drawdown at this moment, $59, current drawdown, so I'm very safe. You see here, my prop firm health is 100%, okay? So here you have a visual, clear overview of the day. So we have $0 daily loss limit reached, and here you see maximum drawdown at this moment, $59. We already also saw it here in the visual bars. The profit target at this moment, I'm $259 profit at this moment. So 23.5% reached at this moment. 17 trading days of the 4 days in challenge 19. So I have unlimited trading period also met. And at this moment, the daily reset will be around 10 hours, 1 minutes and 20 seconds. Okay, until next FTMO daily loss reset. So it's all automated. We have active trades. You see here the active trades immediately also in your account. We have $41 profit at this moment running with EURUSD. Here you have the active rule enforcement. Weekend holding blocked, news trading blocked, consistency disabled, FTMO mode active. Okay. So yeah, actually this is it. So the FTMO engine will protect you to breach any rules or limits which will, for example, blow up your account, or if you have a funded account, you don't get paid. Okay, so with this you have more chance to, for example, reach your profit target, pass a challenge, and then get funded without being on your screen all day. So the bot is running, it's running now. You see also the bot is running at this moment. We are up at this moment $37. And of course you can go back here also to your account. When you go here to your accounts, you're also able to see also the progress in here, but the FTMO dashboard gives you a clear overview. So if there is a gold trade also running here or initiated, it will also show up here. And yeah, with this you have a clear overview what's happening. It will protect you to breaching any rules, and also the percentage to pass and challenge or get funded and get payouts will also increase significant using this FTMO dashboard. Okay, so when you go to our website, TradeChangers.com. So go to our website, TradeChangers.com, and the FTMO engine comes with a Forex Pro account, so that's very important. A Forex Pro account, you will have gold and Euro USD trading for you as bots. And then if you want the FTMO module too, then you need the FTMO engine. So when you go down on a website in here to, for example, here it's a bit slow because I'm streaming at this moment. Everything is explained here. So here we go to discover FTMO engine. It's $197 a month, and you will get the FTMO Pro account where you are trading the gold and Euro USD assets, and the full FTMO engine where you're able to start your FTMO challenge. And again, you can use it for example, for your prop firms trading, but also if you want to trade consistently without prop firms with your own money, then also you can use this to keep your money safe and be also consistent in your trading without trading with prop firms, but on live accounts. Okay, so everything is explained here. If you don't have an account yet, go to TradeChangers.com, go to the FTMO engine. It shows exactly how it works, why it's so cool, and I think this is really exclusive on the market. We are the only one offering this as an automation tool. So go check it out. For $197 a month, you get the whole package. Forex Pro. So you are trading gold and also USD on autopilot with our bots. Very easy to connect. Within 10 minutes you are up and running. And the pricing again is $197 a month. And go check it out and get started today. Okay, this was it. I wish you good luck with trading, and if you, for example, pass a challenge or get funded and get payouts, please share it in the community. We want your inspiration, and also maybe you can give some people advice in our trading community, how you get funded or how you just pass your challenge. Good luck.